Do you have debt under $7.5 million? If you're a small business owner, own a medical practice, if you own a service business, you and your business were impacted by the pandemic, SubChapter V Bankruptcy could be right for you and keep your business alive. Hi, I'm tax and bankruptcy attorney Larry Heinkel. The thought of bankruptcy is very unpleasant on the surface, but it does provide the opportunity to get a fresh start. For small businesses like yours, the newest addition to the Bankruptcy Code, SubChapter V, it aims to make small business bankruptcy proceedings more expeditious and less costly. It's a chance for your company to restructure, continue to operate, reconfigure debt, and keep your business in business. Everyone has been affected in some way from the global pandemic. Adding SubChapter V to the bankruptcy options has been practically designed to keep a business, maybe yours, from completely going under. A client of mine with several restaurants has been deeply affected by the virus. Before we could discuss his options, he shared that from what he knew, bankruptcy can take a lot of time and cost a lot of money, neither of which he had a lot of. He didn't want to lose the restaurants, but had no idea what he could do or should do. Because I've been helping clients for nearly 4 decades, I know how important it is to stay on top of the latest tax and bankruptcy laws, or in other words, opportunities. Fortunately for him, the recently enacted SubChapter V was the perfect fit for his situation. You see, the reorganization process under SubChapter V is far more expeditious than in a traditional Chapter 11 case. The debtor need not file a disclosure statement and must file a Chapter 11 plan within 90 days from its filing of a bankruptcy petition. From filing to confirmation, the process could be concluded in just a few months. Because of the losses, which many small businesses will sustain from the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, SubChapter V, with the expansion of its eligibility requirements under the CARES Act, may provide a valuable tool to assist many small businesses, from restaurants to doctors, construction companies to repair shops, in their efforts to survive. Being aware of opportunities like SubChapter V is how we operate. So, instead of wasting your time calling other bankruptcy attorneys and reliving your sense of desperation, call us and let us share our knowledge and experience. If you thought bankruptcy was out of the question because of time and cost, let me show you what a SubChapter V filing can do for your future. Here's the truth. Bankruptcy can be a complex, confusing process. It is more confusing than most people think, and you really need to have an expertise in determining if it's even right for you and your business. And if so, which option? I'm going to be frank with you. You can screw yourself if you don't file properly and at the right time. Whether predicated on unfortunate business decisions or the devastation of a global pandemic, the results are still the same and the dilemma still exists. This can be even worse if time is short and so is cash. That said, we can find a solution for you. We can walk you through the options, the process, and your eligibility to help you and your company to stay afloat. Running a business is hard enough. Unfortunately, with the effects of the virus on the economy and small companies, practices, and entrepreneurs in particular, it's even more difficult to stay in business. Until the economy can turn around, many small businesses need to find a way to continue to operate and ride out this storm. SubChapter V may be the answer. The people you owe money to want to get paid, and they know that's only possible if your business continues to operate and be profitable. We can help make that happen. Whether you're behind on your credit cards or loans to the bank, if you are experiencing business disruption because of the pandemic, causing a drastic decrease in income or other financial problems, my board-certified bankruptcy attorney Michael Barnett and I can help you. Since 1983, we have helped thousands of clients just like you to navigate the complexities of bankruptcy proceedings and end up above water again. For 4 decades, we have been helping many small business clients restart their companies. We are experienced in federal court proceedings, and we use our insight for your benefit. We can guide you to the right choice of bankruptcy options, whether a SubChapter 5 or Chapter 11 for reorganization, or Chapter 7, 12, or 13. This is what SubChapter 5 is all about. The Small Business Reorganization Act, SBRA, was enacted in an effort to reduce the cost and expense of small business bankruptcy reorganizations. Just in time for the global COVID-19 pandemic, SubChapter 5 may be a key to your survival. A trustee will be appointed to facilitate the development of a consensual reorganization plan, appear at major hearings in the case, and ensure that you commence making timely payments under a plan. To be eligible, your business, has to have debts less than $7.5 million, both secured and unsecured. The benefits offered to businesses that file SubChapter 5 have all the advantages of Chapter 11 bankruptcies, including a debtor's ability to right-size its balance sheet, reduce liabilities, reject or restructure burdensome leases, and executory contracts, renegotiate funded debt, and sell its assets, without having to incur the cost associated with larger Chapter 11 filings. We're ready to go to work for you. Simply schedule a free 15-minute overview call by clicking the orange button below. P.S. When you schedule your appointment, I'm going to send you our most frequently asked bankruptcy questions and answers for free. Click on the orange button below and schedule your free 15-minute call now. You tell me what your situation is, and we'll discuss the facts, your opinions, and come up with a plan. We'll go over the process and honestly answer all your questions. And here's our guarantee. If we can't help you, we'll tell you and give you direction, free. The advantages of filing a SubChapter 5 bankruptcy is new, and the financial future of your business can be new too. We can help you get there. Now is the time to make a move before it's too late and the hole you're in gets any deeper. We can help you find solid ground and put your trouble behind while you're rebuilding your future. I have 15 minutes set aside for you at no charge to get you where you need to be today. Act now while you still have options. Click on the orange button below and schedule your free 15-minute call. Click on the orange button below.